Hey everybody, this is EMDSD14R coming to you live from the Keystone State, and this is a video of my second RTG Amtrak Turbotrain. Now if you guys have seen my older videos, you've probably seen the original set, which is right here. This is my original set that I've had for 5 or 6 years. And my new set, let me just back this up out of the way, was sent to me last week from my friend TJ up in Hudson, New York. So it's in these packaging right here, so let me go ahead and open it up for you. Okay, YouTubers, I'm back, and I've removed up my original RTG Turbotrain here from Jouef. Now, I didn't really show the unpackaging of the new one because it was just, TJ packed it up very nicely. He made sure that nothing was going to get broken while it was in transit, so thank you very much, TJ, for doing the extra bubble wrapping around the cars and the whole set. So I just basically decided to just forgo that, and I'll bring the second set around for everyone to see. So there it is, there's the second train. And if you look at both of them, you can see which of the two is newer. This is the one that's a lot older than this one, and that's because the white is a little bit darker and this one's a little bit more brighter. Let me do an aerial shot for y'all. My friend TJ planned on taking this set here and turning it into a Rhor Turbo 3, but he didn't want to, or that didn't really pan out, so he just decided to sell it, and I picked it up. Now I know that the real ones, they had 5 cars. I know the real ones, they had 5 cars in the train's consist. I do have extra cars, but they are all the cafes. Now what I was going to do is I was going to kit bash one of these cafe cars into a coach, which wouldn't be that hard to do. It wouldn't be that difficult to do. But then I would still be out one coach for one of the sets. My friend NYshortline a few years ago sent me these pictures, or mailed them to me. These are what the rear ones look like now. This particular RTG set got the Phase 3 paint scheme. And if you look at the side, it's already been heavily modified. So these are pictures of what the real ones look like, and he actually made his to look like this one right here, one of the sets right here. These ran out in Chicago area, out in the Midwest, and as you can see, it says turbo power on the side of the train right there. And if you look, it's 5 cars. Here's another close-up, and then here is the front shot right here. What I'm probably gonna do is I'm definitely gonna probably have one of them painted and detailed to look like this one, because I really like the look of this one, and I especially like that cafe car right there. That's definitely unique. But if you look in this picture, you can see there's 5 cars total. That's okay for right now. But I'm very happy that I have 2 of these trains in my collection now. Let me just get the tripod set up again. I'm really happy now because I don't have to buy another one. So I have officially 2 RTG turbo trains from Jouef in my collection. And enough of my rambling, let's just go ahead and see these run. Oh, one other thing, I do plan on getting these repowered, probably with NYshortline Stanton power drives. Alright guys, so hope you enjoyed the video, and more will be coming soon. Bye y'all.